I will teach you the best method to convert a decimal number with decimal points. Okay, let's start. You have the best thing to do is to start with the whole parts. You start with the whole parts. You use the same method of converting from base 10 to binary number system. So you write the whole number here. That is, you're only using this, the whole part. So since we are converting to base 2, we write 2 here. 2 into 13, 6, remainder 1. 2 into 6, 3, remainder 0. 2 into 3, 1, remainder 1. 2 into 1, 0, remainder 1. So the whole part, which is 13, the whole part 13 is equal to upward, so 1, 1, 0, 1. So now we are left with the fractional parts, because we have the two parts here, the whole number parts and the fractional parts. So the fractional part we have 0, because 13.625 means 13 plus 0.625. So now we are going to use the fractional part. So handling the fractional part, you need to multiply. You will keep on multiplying you will keep on multiplying until you reach the last digit, which is you arrive at 0, 0. You keep multiplying the fractional part until you reach 0, 0. So let's multiply the fractional part, which is 0.625. Multiply by 2. 2 times 5 is 10, so you write 0, you carry 1. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1, making it 5. 2 times 6 is 12, so you write 2, you carry 1. 2 times 0 is 0, plus 1, that is 1.250. So you keep this whole part, you keep the whole part, you carry only the fractional part down. So carrying the fractional part, that you have 0.250. C multiplied by 2. So 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 5 is 10. You write 0, you carry 1. 2 times 2 is 4, plus that 1, that is making it 5. So 2 times 0 is 0. So you keep this, you carry 0.500 down. Multiplied by 2 again. So 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 5 is 10. You write 0, you carry 1. 2 times 0 is 0, plus 1. That is 1.00. We have arrived at the 0, 0. We have successfully arrived at the 0, 0. So our answers are this whole part, which is 1, 0, and 1. So converting 13.625, the result will give us, which is, when we converted the whole part, which is 13, we have 1101. So we have 1101 points, because the fractional parts now we have 101 base 2. So that is how to convert a decimal number with decimal points to binary number.